To show you how the method works, imagine you've been stranded for more than a day. You're weak, you don't have tools, and you need something simple that uses what you already have around you. That's where this technique comes in. The first thing you need is a small cage or anything that can work like one. In a real survival situation, this could be made from branches, vines, and whatever natural materials you can gather. Inside that cage, people usually place a calm bird. In normal life, that might be a pet bird, but in a survival situation, you might use a bird you managed to catch earlier with your hands, a net, or a simple snare.